Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working on these adorable pumpkins. Yeah, I know, it's July and it's in the high 90s, so hot, so humid, and I'm doing pumpkins. Yeah, well, that's what I'm doing. So I just kind of want to put you through the process, what I've been doing. They have this really cute pumpkin patterns. And I just took them on a piece of MDF that I painted and kind of dry brushed to get two different colors on there. Now, since these patterns are going on wood, to protect the transfers, I fuzzed them on a towel. So this is the process that I did, and I put both of them on here. I used papaya chalk paste for the orange pumpkin, and when I got them all chopped up, then I brought them out to my scroll saw and cut them out. And then from there I got a pattern so I can cut some more if I like. But if you don't have a scroll saw or don't want to cut it yourself, Couture does have these pumpkin cutouts. They are 1 inch thick of wood, and they work great. You get these two pumpkins in each package, so you can always go that route. Here's something else I did. I just took some neon acrylic paint and just painted on however I wanted to do it. And then I took the patterns and I took the squeegee and put black velvet chalk paste over it. And I did this on both these two patterns. This one and I think I did a stripe one. Yep, nope, I did the polka dot one. The stripe one I did in a gold shimmer, more for Thanksgiving than Halloween. This was fun though. I've got things on both sides so you can turn them around. Then my husband cut out some chalkboard tags for me, and I'm just waxing them before I chalk on them. I'm just going to use bright white. Bright white just really pops on the black chalkboard. And I'm using things like thankful, gather. I have a ghost with boo on it, and beware. So I'm covering both holidays. Now here's the thankful and the bright white chalk. Comes out really good, right? Doesn't that pop? And then the ghost, this is just a little tag, so I just used his face in the boo. Turned out really cute. And then what's nice about all of this, it's paste. So if you make a mistake, you can clean it up or wipe it off or start all over. And there's the beware. Now I just took some twine and put them in these tags, and then you can tie them on the pumpkins. There I am cleaning it up. This is a fun project. Finishing it up with gather. And you saw me in the beginning, these transfers are reusable. So you just cut them along the cut line, mark the backs because you want to put the sticky side of the transfer next to the glossy side of the backing. And you can use it up to 8, 12 times, sometimes more. So just take care of it and you can use it often. Now, this pumpkin, I do have a video that I showed earlier if you want to check on that one. But here they all are, Halloween and Thanksgiving, all ready to go. Thanks for watching.